everyone, so today we're gonna do an unboxing with a ring light I got over there. It is from Amazon and the brand is GVM, Great Video Maker. GVM 600S LED ring light, 90W dimmable LED video light kit with detachable light bar, photography lighting, LED video lighting kit for live broadcast, YouTube, 0197 plus 3200K to 5600K. Yeah, I don't know what that means. So yeah, I got it on Amazon. I'll post a link on it. I just always wanted a ring light, and one of my photographer friends just recommended me to buy this one. Without further ado, let's do an unboxing. So I got this probably 3 days after ordering. It's not bad. After the tape, it says GVMLED.com. GVM. Oh, it comes in a bag. This is very nice. So it's easy for storage. And here. Oh, so this one is the tripod. So I think this is the user menu. Oh, it kind of tells you how to assemble everything. I'm not too good at assembling things, but let's give it a go. We got this ring light. These are the cables and some stands, I think. Cables. These are the extra LED lights, 6 of them. For this one, you only need one knob, stays in here, and one goes here. So all you need to do, push this one at the end and you just rotate it. Yep, you should be able to get it off and just put it here. This base. Screw this in. Good, so I think this one is for holding the camera. There's some holes throughout the ring light, and this is where you add in these LED light strips. Done. So these are where you plug in the power cords, and we have to plug it with a light source, so let's get going. So here comes the moment of truth. Isn't this cool? Let's check it with the lights off right now. Right now it's pretty gloomy outside. We still have some natural daylight over here, but if you want some really nice light source for video, isn't this cool? Damn, it's pretty bright. Let's say I just want one light, and I think you can use this extension cord. There is some power source you can plug into. Plug in here. Let's check this out. This is not on, but this is on. I think it's pretty cool if it's a studio lighting. I can just easily manipulate how I want the lights to be. It's definitely a perfect purchase. So that's about it. If you love my video, please give me a thumbs up and also subscribe. I'll give you the link below. See you guys next time. Bye.